Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454. This isn't just a car. It's a legend reborn, a modern take on an American muscle icon that's got enthusiasts buzzing with excitement. Chevrolet's bringing back the Chevelle nameplate after decades, and they're doing it with a vengeance. Blending retro swagger with cutting-edge tech and jaw-dropping performance. Buckle up, because we're going to take a deep dive into every detail of this beast, from its aggressive exterior to its high-tech interior. Monstrous powertrain, pricing, and some thoughts on what Chevy could tweak to make it even better. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the exterior, starting with the front. The moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Chevelle SS 454, you know it means business. The front fascia is pure muscle car attitude, with a sculpted hood that screams power, complete with a centered SS 454 badge that's like a badge of honor. The razor-thin LED headlights slice across the face, giving it a predatory stare that's both futuristic and a nod to the classic Chevelles of the 60s and 70s. The gloss-black honeycomb grille is wide and menacing, featuring functional air intakes to feed that beastly engine we'll talk about later. It's not just about looks. This grille is designed to optimize airflow for performance. The Bodhi badge sits proudly in the center, tying this modern machine to Chevy's storied heritage. Every angle of the front says, "Get out of my way." And trust me, you'll want to. Moving to the side profile, the Chevelle SS 454 carries that classic long hood, short deck silhouette that made the original a legend, but it's been sharpened for the 21st century. The muscular stance is accentuated by 20-inch blacked-out wheels with red accents, wrapped in beefy performance tires that hint at the car's drag strip DNA. The roofline is a standout. It's sleek and modern, but pays homage to the 1970 Chevelle with a subtle fastback curve that's just gorgeous. Sculpted fenders and subtle chrome trim add to the retro-modern vibe, while flush door handles keep things clean and aerodynamic. This car looks like it's ready to pounce, whether it's parked or tearing down the highway. You can almost feel the power radiating from its curves. Now, let's swing around to the back. The rear design is where Chevy nails the balance of heritage and innovation. Slim, horizontal LED taillights stretch across the rear deck, echoing classic Chevelle cues but with a high-tech execution. A sculpted trunk lip spoiler adds just the right amount of sporty flair without being over the top. And then there's the dual-chrome exhaust outlets, big, bold, and loud, both visually and audibly. These pipes promise a soundtrack that'll wake the neighbors, and we'll get to that roar in a bit. The rear diffuser and SS badging tie it all together, making the back of this car just as intimidating as the front. Whether you're admiring it in a parking lot or watching it disappear down the road, the Chevelle's rear leaves a lasting impression. Stepping inside, the 2026 Chevelle SS 454's interior is a masterclass in blending performance and luxury. Slide into the cabin, and you're greeted by Recaro performance bucket seats wrapped in premium leather with contrast stitching and SS embroidery. These seats hug you tight during spirited drives, but are comfy enough for long cruises. The flat bottom steering wheel feels race-inspired, Recaro-inspired, with paddle shifters and tactile drive mode controls. It's a cockpit built for driving enthusiasts, but it doesn't skimp on modern comforts. The centerpiece is a 13.4-inch touchscreen running Chevy's latest infotainment system, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrated navigation. The digital gauge cluster is fully customizable, with vintage-inspired graphics that nod to the Chevelle's roots. A premium Bose surround sound system fills the cabin with crystal-clear audio, and ambient lighting sets the mood for night drives. You'll also find subtle Chevelle branding throughout, like on the aluminum pedals and door sills, adding a touch of nostalgia. Practicality hasn't been forgotten either. There's decent cargo space, and rumors suggest a sportback option might offer even more room for gear. It's a muscle car you can actually live with, whether you're hitting the track or picking up groceries. Now, let's get to the heart of the beast, the performance. The 2026 Chevelle SS 454 is powered by a supercharged 6.2-liter LT4 V8, the same monster found in the Corvette Z06 and Camaro ZL1, pumping out over 650 horsepower and 650 pounds FT of torque. This thing is a street-legal dragster, hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds with a top speed north of 190 miles per hour. Rear-wheel drive is standard, keeping purists happy. And you've got a choice between a 6-speed manual for that classic muscle car feel or a 10-speed automatic for lightning-fast shifts. The Alpha platform, shared with the Camaro, is strengthened for this beast, paired with a performance-tuned suspension and optional magnetic ride control for razor-sharp handling. Launch control and line lock systems make burnouts a breeze, and Brembo brakes ensure you can stop as fast as you go. The dual-mode exhaust delivers a quiet rumble for daily driving and the thunderous growl when you floor it. Sound that'll give you goosebumps every time. There's talk of a hybrid variant with potential all-wheel drive, blending electric torque with V8 Fury, but the gas-powered SS 454 is the star of the show. This car isn't just fast. It's a visceral experience that reminds you why muscle cars are still king. Pricing is where things get interesting. The base Chevelle with a turbocharged 2.7-liter i4 starts around $38,000, offering 325 horsepower for those who want the look without breaking the bank. The mid-tier SS trim, with a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 pushing 455 horsepower, comes in around $52,000, but the SS 454 we're focusing on today, with its supercharged LT4 V8, starts at $75,000 and can climb higher with premium options like the Z51 Performance Package or the 70th Anniversary Edition, which adds exclusive features like carbon flash metallic paint, red brake calipers, and custom luggage. Compared to rivals like the Ford Mustang Dark Horse and Dodge Charger Daytona, the Chevelle SS 454 offers incredible horsepower per dollar, especially in the top trim. Deliveries are expected to start in early to mid-2026 with a possible reveal at SEMA 2025, so mark your calendars. So, what could Chevy improve? First, while the tech suite is impressive, the base infotainment system could use an upgrade to match the premium feel of the top trims. Think a sharper interface and more USB ports. As some reviews noted, the single port feels limiting. Second, fuel economy rated at 19 mpg combined could be a concern for daily drivers. A hybrid option with better efficiency would broaden its appeal without sacrificing power. Third, while the retro-inspired interior is a hit, offering more color options beyond black would let buyers personalize it further. Finally, Chevy should ensure the manual transmission is widely available, not just a limited option to keep the purists happy. These tweaks could make an already stellar car even more irresistible. As we wrap up, the 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle S 454 is more than just a car, it's a love letter to American muscle. It's got the looks, the sound, and the soul to carry the Chevelle legacy into the future while rivaling the best modern performance coupes. Whether you're a longtime fan dreaming of the 70s glory days or a new enthusiast craving raw power, this car delivers on every level. From its aggressive, retro-futuristic design to its 650-plus horsepower V8, it's built to thrill, and the tech-loaded interior ensures it's practical enough for everyday life. Chevy's not just reviving a name, they're reigniting a passion. And we can't wait to hear that V8 roar in person. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into the 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle S 454. If you're as pumped as we are about this muscle car comeback, hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more epic car reviews. What do you think of the Chevelle's big return? Let us know below, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, keep the passion for power alive and drive safe.